Day 33. Yesterday, you put Set Security Initializer into practice. Today, you're going to learn how to bring a completely different type of asset into your algorithm. So far, you've mostly worked with equities, but the market is bigger than stocks. One of the largest and most liquid markets in the world trades currencies, not companies. So, what is AddForex? AddForex is the method you use in QuantConnect to add a currency pair to your algorithm, so you can trade foreign exchange markets the same way you trade stocks. Here's a simple analogy to explain it better. On the left, we have the currency exchange booth. On the right, AddForex. Imagine you're at an airport. You walk up to a currency exchange booth and say, I want to trade US dollars for euros. The booth handles that specific pair. It has its own rate, its own spread, its own hours. It is not a stock. It is not a commodity. It is a relationship between two currencies. The currency exchange booth here says, this is a different kind of market with its own rules. AddForex works exactly the same way. When you call it, you tell QuantConnect which currency pair you want to trade, which in this case is. Instead of a ticker like AAPL, you pass in a pair like EURUSD, and QuantConnect loads all the market data and mechanics that go with it. With that, we wrap up the simple introduction of the concept of AddForex in QuantConnect. Here's a quick knowledge check. AddForex uses a single currency ticker the same way AddEquity uses a stock symbol, true or false. And the correct answer is false. Forex trades pairs, not single assets. You pass in both sides of the exchange like EURUSD, not just one currency on its own.